welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have a challenge with us and a special guest. We have my cousin here. She's getting the stuff because we're gonna do a challenge called blind eating. I don't know if it's done before or anything. I think it is, but we made this like a couple of years ago and had this idea of everyone gets like foods that we don't show each other what they are, and then we blindfold, like she blindfolds me and tries to feed me the food that she got and try to guess what she's feeding me, and everyone who guesses one like thing right, they get a point, and this goes on and on. So today we're gonna do this challenge, and yeah, let's go into the video.
Hey guys, miss me? Of course not.
Oh my god.
Okay, close your eyes.
Aren't you gonna blindfold me?
Yeah, but I need to show them the bag first.
Okay.
So I went out and I got all of these snacks, and I'm going to blindfold Lana and feed her these snacks, and if she guesses them right, she'll get a point, and if not, she'll get a...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I felt that.
Have a blindfold... Lana.
I don't have a blindfold.
Yeah, baby.
Do I look stupid, ugly, dumb?
على فكرة هو الشال حلو.
Yeah, on my eyes.
Okay. Open up.
I'm scared.
Come on, bite. What is it?
The flavor.
This feels so weird. Wait, I know what it is.
You don't have to yell. You didn't, because they taste different.
Licorice, right?
Yeah, licorice, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was
This is
the
black
black
licorice.
licorice. It's a little tricky.
Like chocolate poppins. I need another bite. Honey?
No.
The white one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the white one.
No.
No?
It's
Which one? Let me see.
it's
I
strawberry.
wanna see.
It's strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, this is new.
Yeah, it's new.
Oh, it tastes good though.
Yeah, it is.
It's so weird.
Second.
Oh my god.
Half a point.
Wow.
You have half a point. Yellow.
Shit!
This one's like somewhere in between. See?
My god, I'm excited. Yeah, eat. Doritos. Yes!
What is it?
Doritos.
No.
Yes.
No.
The triangle nacho things.
Eh, بس مش the brand. It's not Doritos.
The same thing, come on. Mustard.
Fantasia actually. بس
There's Fantasia?
yeah. بس
I've never seen one.
you get no, don't remove it. You get the point for the flavor, not the brand.
Yeah.
The brand, it's okay. The flavor, what flavor is it?
I need another one.
Okay.
It's definitely not the cheese, so it's the chili one.
Eh, بس what chili?
The true chili.
You get half a point. You get half a point.
Anyway.
So close. Alright, now. So good.
Master.
Yeah, what flavor?
The yellow one.
What flavor?
Cheese.
No.
It's the yellow bag, isn't it?
No.
It's not yellow?
No.
They have other than yellow?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
This one's brown.
Oh, really? Barbecue! Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Next. Thank you.
Next. Okay, Lana. Really next.
Oh my god, I look like a monkey.
It's a bit tricky. This is actually new. I've never had this actually. Look at this.
Also chips?
Yeah, this flavor, it's new. I don't like this.
Flavors are all mixed together. Let me taste another one.
This is kind of weird.
Sour onion?
No.
You know what I mean?
You mean sour cream and onion?
Yeah.
But no, it's not.
Blue bag. Look,
What?
I'm guessing the colors of the bag.
No. It's green.
Oh, I've eaten this before.
Ranch.
What?
Yeah,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Next.
and they misspelled it.
Oh, they were...
You wanna hold this?
No. Don't.
Okay, the brand is true, but what is it? Show here.
The cake thing, the brownie thing that has like
Yeah,
almonds
true.
on the
Actually, it's hazelnut.
Yeah,
but
hazelnut, I
you
mean.
got it right. A dicto brownie. You get a point.
I'm loving this challenge,
Actually,
by the way.
It smells good too. I have a cute one. This one's cute. Look at this, guys. Open up. Yellow. Bite. Is this good? I've never had this. It's a gummy burger. But like, yeah, it's a gummy. You get it. You get the point. Hey.
Yay!
Yup.
But blindfolded mukbang.
Okay, so give me your hand. كذا حبة.
These give me a school vibes.
This is such a false advertisement.
This gives me
This
school
tastes like
vibes.
nothing.
We used to
It doesn't taste like anything.
gives me school vibes. You
Yeah.
know what it is. It's not now.
True, but what's the flavor? There's not much flavor, so I think you get the point for guessing because it's not much flavor.
Barbecue?
No, it's hot and spicy, but there's not much
There is
flavor.
no flavor.
Yeah.
Next. Next.
Finally!
Last but not least.
This is the last one. I love this one.
Did you leave the best for last? Stomach right now is mixed up with so many flavors, but I don't care.
This will like it's gonna help with this one's easy.
Ow! Can you warn me at least?
No.
Mint?
Which one?
Mentos.
Yeah, Mentos mint. شفتي لا تركت للآخر عشان إنه smart. I love this. This is so good.
Oh my god, my eyes! My eyes! Thank you guys so much for watching. This was our blindfold eating challenge. So yeah, if you liked it, comment down below and
This
thank
is
you
the
guys.
end.
Yup.
This is the end of our challenge.
Yup.
Comment, like.
Yeah. Wow. You watch my videos, that's for sure. You know all my outros. So.
Wait, I know the infamous. Bye.
Bye. It's famous.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And hit that like button if you like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.